I am losing money selling you this car. I never said that unless it was the truth. Because 99% of the time, it's bullshit. Bullshit, bullshit, bullshit. Well, on a pre-owned car, let's say a dealership grossly overpaid for it, they could potentially lose money. It's sitting on the lot 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, and it's just sitting there and sitting there and sitting there. They can either potentially wholesale it and lose money, or they could sell it to a customer at a loss. And that did happen a few times when I sold cars where I would see a negative number. And as a salesperson, it pissed me off because I was just making a flat. So we always wanted to see those nice big commission checks. And sometimes it was interesting that somebody would come in on a car that I knew was losing money on, and they hadn't seen it online. So boop, there goes the price, $2,000 up. I made my money. So that's why you need to follow me, have me help you. I took all of the knowledge that I gained while selling cars and screwing customers to help consumers beat the dealership. I am beating them badly now. You don't even know what's coming. So please, let me help you. Beatthestealership.com. Beatthestealership.com.